નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Dear children, continues of chapter number 2, and already we continue the topic atmosphere. In atmosphere, already we have to learn that the covering of the air wrapping the earth from the all the four sides is called the atmosphere. Now, the ozone gas comprises of very small proportion in the air. Now, what they have to say that? They have to say that the ozone gas comprises a very small proportion of the air. The gas observe the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protect the earth from excessive heat of the sun. Now, what they have to given the children? They have to given that this gas absorb the ultraviolet ray. Which gas? Ozone gas absorb the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protect the earth from the excessive heat of the sun. This gas is more in proportion in the morning in the open ground and in the air near the sea. What they have to given that here, children? They have to given that this ozone gas is more in proportion in which time? In morning time, in the open ground and in the air near the sea. Now they have to given that gases like oxygen, nitrogen keep the living creature on the earth alive. Which gases have a living creature on the earth alive? Because the gases like oxygen and nitrogen keep the living creature on the earth alive. Now, dear student, just you have to see this image. Here you have to given about the amount of gases in the atmosphere. Nitrogen 78.03%, other gases 0.98%, oxygen they have to given about 20.99%. So, why the living creature on the earth alive? Because of the oxygen and nitrogen gases is available on the earth. Nitrogen reduce the intensity of the oxygen. Water is the most important components in the atmosphere. What they have to given that? They have to given that water is the most important components in the atmosphere. Due to heat, the water in the form of vapor evaporate and mix with the air, which is known as a moisture. What is the meaning of the moisture? Moisture, it means heat the water in the form of the vapor and evaporate and mix with the air, which is known as a moisture. The process of cooling of vapor, what they have to given that? The process of cooling of vapor, it is called as a condensation. What was the meaning of condensation? Condensation, it means ghanikaran, cooling. Various form of the moisture like dew, fog, cloud, precipitation are due to the condensation. What they have to say that? They have to say that the various form of the moisture, dew, fog, cloud, precipitation are due to the only and only condensation is there. The effect of atmosphere is seen on human being in every aspect of the life, such as in their food habit, clothes, habitants, color, economic activity, etc. What they have to say that? They have to say that the effect of the atmosphere, the effect of the atmosphere you have to see in the human being in the every aspect of the life. Like example, we have to change our food habit as per the season. We have to change our clothes as per the season. After habitants, color, economic activity, these all are effect due to our atmospherical conditions. Many dust particles are seen in the atmosphere. Spreading of sun ray are visible due to this particle. What they have to given that? They have to given that many dust particles we have seen in the atmosphere, and spreading of the sun ray are we have to visible to the particles. It is due to the dust particle that it does not suddenly turn dark after the sun sets, and it does not suddenly turn bright after the sunrise. What they have to say then? They have to say that it is due to the dust particle and it does not suddenly turn dark after the sunset, and it does not suddenly turn bright after the sunrise. and that's why we can say that the sun rays are visible due to these particles. The sun rays are reflected back with the help of this dust particle on the surface of the earth. What they have to given that? They have to given that the sun rays are reflected back due to the help of this dust particle on the surface of the earth, and we receive the light of the sun. We are able to listen the sound due to the presence of atmosphere. What they have to given that? Why we have listened the sound? Because we have to listen the sound due to the presence of atmosphere, and that is why the radio and Doordarshan are telecast is possible. What they have to given that? Why the radio and Doordarshan telecast is possible? Because we have to listen the sound due to the presence of the atmosphere. Now dear children, they have to given about the human life and spheres, and they have to given these pictures. Just you have to see atmosphere. Here they have to given about the image of atmosphere, lithosphere, biosphere and the hydrosphere. It means they have to given about all the spheres with image and the pictures. Our next topic is concerned with the biosphere. The part of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is known as a biosphere. What is the meaning of biosphere? Biosphere, it means about three spheres. With three spheres, lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where living world is exists. It is known as a biosphere. Biosphere is one of the most important sphere of the earth. Earth is the only planet in the solar system having the biosphere. Dear children, this is the most important sentence is there. What they have to say there? They have to say that Earth is only planet in the solar system having the biosphere. Biosphere include, now in the biosphere, which things you have to include it? You have to include the vegetation, animal, insect, human beings. These all things are to be included in. Okay. What they have to given that, dear children? They have to given that we obtain the food and many other necessary things from biosphere, and we cannot live without vegetation and animals. And you know very well that we cannot live without vegetation and animal. And already I am said what was the meaning of vegetation. Vegetation, it means the plants. Biosphere is the base of our existence and the living. It is divided in two parts. One is a non-living thing and second one is a living thing. Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere form the non-living part, while the plants, animal, microorganism are included in the living world. What they have to given that? They have to explain both the things, non-living part and living part, and that's why they have to given that lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere from the non-living part, while you have to include the plants, animal and microorganism are included in the living world. Now they have to given about the image. Just you have to see the components of the atmosphere or biosphere. They have to given here. Just you have to see the components of the biosphere. Your natural is there, man-made, non-living, living, people, and that's why here they have to given about the image of components of the biosphere, and this is the image of the effect of human activities on the sphere, that which kind of the activities are done by the human beings and after which kind of the effect of the human activity on the sphere. Now the human being knowingly and unknowingly undertake the many activity for their development. Now dear children, what they have to given there? They have to given that human being knowingly and unknowingly undertake the many activities for their development. Human action causes an imbalance in the different sphere. Now who causes the imbalance on the different sphere? The human action, it means the human activity causes the imbalance in the different sphere. Due to this, the balance of various sphere is threatened. Now what happened there? Due to this imbalance things. Now what happened there? Due to this imbalance thing, the various sphere is threatened. Underground nuclear testing, too much drilling for the mineral oil, excessive drilling of tube well affect the lithosphere. Which things are affect the lithosphere? You have to given that too much drilling of mineral oil, excessive drilling of tube well, these all things affect the lithosphere and causes an imbalance. The dumping of waste from village, cities along with industrial waste into the water bodies pollute them. Now they have to given that dumping of the waste from the village, city, industrial waste, this all waste affect the water bodies and done the water pollution. The polar cap have started melting due to increasing heat. What they have to say that? They have to say that our polar region, our polar cap have started the melting due to the increasing heat. The oil spill from ship and disposal of industrial and chemical waste into the water causes the destruction of the marine life, which are the reason for the destruction of the marine life. The oil spill from the ship and disposal of industrial and chemical waste into the water causes the destruction of the marine life, and which is the highly dangerous for the hydrogen. After they have to say that harmful gases emitted by the industry, workshop, power station and vehicle pollute the air. Which are the harmful gases pollute the air? They have to say that the harmful gases emitted by the industry, workshop, power station, after you can say it about the vehicles, this all have done the air pollution, and that's why they pollute the air. The area which is the higher frequency of vehicle, so the increase the rate of carbon monoxide in the air. Why the carbon monoxide increase in the air? Because the area in which the higher frequency of the vehicles, it means now what happened that in today's time the transportation of the human beings is increasing due to the vehicles, and that's why increasing in the frequency of the vehicle, so the increase in the rate of the carbon monoxide in the air. The amount of carbon dioxide CO2 in the air increased due to the cutting of the tree. What they have to say that? They have to say that the amount of CO2 in the air increased due to the cutting of the tree. Heat on the earth increased due to increase in CO2 in the air. Why the heat on the earth increased? Because due to increase in carbon dioxide in the air. Why the CO2 increase? Because we are cutting down the tree, and that's why CO2 carbon dioxide increase in the air. In this way the human activity affect the biosphere, and that's why they have to say that the nurturing link of the nature are engaged due to the exploitation of environment which ingredients the biosphere. What they have to say that? They have to say that we have to nurturing the links of the nature. It means as a human we have to take the care of our activities. It means we have to take care about the all the four sphere. Which four sphere is there? Lithosphere, after hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere, and this is our responsibility that we have to take care about the nature and we have to protect our environment. Thank you for joining us.